Good morning, YouTube. We finally made it to the massive Indonesian capital city of Jakarta today. So I'm at Merdeka Square right now. The word Merdeka has a significant role in Indonesia's history. It means freedom in Bahasa Indonesian, and it became the rallying cry for the revolutionaries who were fighting for independence from the Dutch. And at the center of Merdeka Square, right behind me, the massive 430 feet obelisk that you see is called the National Monument. And it was built to commemorate the Indonesian struggle for independence, or just Indonesian independence from the Netherlands in the late 40s. As many of you might know, Indonesia used to be a Dutch colony for around 350 years. And it was so until the late 1940s. The modern Indonesian revolution movement really started in the early 20th century, and it was headed by this guy named Sukarno, who ended up being the first president of Indonesia and is widely considered as the father or the leader of the independence revolution for Indonesia. We're eating some street food at Merdeka Square right now. It's basically some half-boiled eggs with some street noodles. So that was only $1.50 for chicken noodles and mango juice. That's not bad at all. So we're unable to find an exit to Merdeka Square for half an hour. So I just managed to squeeze through these grills because there was enough space for me to do that over here. But my mom refuses to try to do that, so I'm just walking with her until she finds an exit. Right there, you can see her being stubborn and not coming out. So we're at Istiqlal Mosque right now, which is the largest mosque in Southeast Asia. Istiqlal also means freedom in Arabic, and it was also built to commemorate Indonesian independence from the Dutch. Unfortunately, I forgot to put on long pants and a t-shirt, and there's a dress code for entering mosque, so I can't really go in and check that out because that's considered really disrespectful. That's exactly how it is in Bangladesh, or probably any other Muslim country.